Brizy is a powerful landing page builder that promises an easy and efficient way to create beautiful, high-converting pages. But is it the right choice for you? Here are 12 things you need to know before buying Brizy, especially if you're comparing it to other options like Elementor or Lee Pages. Stick around till the end because I'll share a better alternative that you can try for free. First thing to know, Brizy is designed for simplicity. Its drag and drop interface is user-friendly and intuitive, making it great for beginners. You don't need any coding experience to create professional-looking landing pages, which sets it apart from more complex options like Elementor. Next thing, Brizy is packed with pre-designed templates. It has a decent library of templates, but it doesn't quite match the extensive collection you'll find in competitors like Lee Pages. If template variety is important to you, this could be a factor to consider. The third thing to note is the pricing structure. Brizy offers both a free and paid version, which is a plus. However, while the free version covers basic needs, many of the advanced features are locked behind a paywall. The paid version is more affordable compared to other builders, but if you're looking for more features in the free plan, you might want to look elsewhere. The fourth thing, Brizy integrates with popular marketing tools. It integrates well with email marketing platforms like MailChimp and ActiveCampaign. But compared to competitors like Lee Pages, it doesn't have as many native integrations, which could limit your options if you use niche tools. Next up, the editor is fully visual, meaning you can see your changes in real time as you make them. This is a huge plus for anyone who values a seamless workflow. However, if you're used to more advanced editing capabilities like those offered by Elementor, you might find Brizy a bit too basic. The sixth thing to keep in mind is Brizy's mobile responsiveness. It offers mobile-friendly designs out of the box, which is crucial since so many visitors will be on mobile devices. But it's not as customizable as some of its competitors in terms of mobile design adjustments. Seventh thing, loading speed. Brizy's landing pages are generally fast, but competitors like Lee Pages have more optimization options to ensure faster load times, which can impact your conversion rates. It's a minor issue, but worth noting if speed is a priority. The eighth point is the user support. Brizy offers decent customer support, but their response times can sometimes be slower compared to bigger players like Elementor, which has a large support community. If quick support is a priority, you may want to factor that in. Ninth, Brizy offers a lifetime deal for its Pro version. This is a great option for users who prefer a one-time payment over recurring subscriptions. This is something you won't find with many other landing page builders, like Lee Pages or Unbounce. The 10th thing to consider is the lack of advanced analytics. While Brizy allows you to track basic metrics, it's not as robust as competitors like Unbounce, which provides deeper insights into your page performance. If you rely on in-depth analytics to optimize your landing pages, this could be a downside. 11th thing, Brizy's ease of use is definitely one of its standout features. You won't need to hire a developer or designer to make your pages look professional, which makes it an attractive option for small businesses and solo entrepreneurs. But if you're looking for more advanced design capabilities, you may find its design features a little limiting. And lastly, Brizy's ease of use and affordability make it a great option for creating simple landing pages. However, if you need more advanced features or integrations, or if you want a more flexible editor, Brizy might fall short in comparison to options like Elementor or Lee Pages. In conclusion, Brizy is a good landing page builder that's easy to use, affordable, and efficient for basic needs. But if you want a more robust solution with advanced features and greater flexibility, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.